Hey, we're still out here on the trail. We're going to take you guys down another trail, being that one was so short. We're going to take you down
the South Loop.
The South Loop, right here. And it looks like more of a grassy trail, but it might run by the river, so. And go down by the river. It's a nice wide trail. You could take a electric wheelchair through here if you have one. It had a lot of power. It's not that rough. It's really peaceful walking back through here because there's nobody back in here playing or doing anything. So.
We saw some baby squirrels playing.
Yeah.
And their mama just gave them heck.
Yeah, she was.
She
chattered at them like you wouldn't believe, because they ran right out, literally about a foot from my foot. And there's where we just were a little while ago, or at our last video. So we're gonna walk on this way. Looks like a dam over here. Comes somebody with a dog, honey.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. A puppy. It's a puppy. Okay. Back on the road again. We're walking a grassy road. We met a couple back there. I didn't want to put them on video. They had a newly rescued pet.
They're fostering her.
Yeah, and they was taking around her for a walk through the woods and stuff, and she was just a darling. And she was a boxer mix, maybe.
Yeah, probably.
You know, but she was just real sweet, real kind. You know, you can tell she just didn't have no meanness in her. And look at the old trees through here. Neat. And then they told us where to go for the dark sky night, so. It looked like maybe a high wind come through and wiped out some of these trees at one time, because they're all got the tops knocked out of them. You're out here, and besides this area here, this is all farmland, so you can run across any kind of weather out here. Sun peeking through for the sunset.
And to the left of us is the prairie grass area.
Yeah.
And
I'm sure at dusk, it's called deer area.
I'm sure.
Because they just love that.
The man we just met said that this trail takes us 3/4 of the way around the prairie restoration area.
I could have got you on video for that.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I didn't think about it.
This is uneven. I just have to
Do what, honey?
where I'm putting my feet because it's just real uneven.
Yeah. And the river's to my right over here still. With a little bit of more prairie grass sticking up through there. Wheat.
I think the whole South Loop is about 2 miles.
Yeah.
That's not too far.
They run a riding lawnmower through here to cut this.
Yeah.
Or a big tractor. little trail that goes down to the river right there. Pretty weedy, but not sure. We're lost. We're back in here lost. We don't know where we're at. The grass in here is kind of pretty, the wheatgrass. Nope, doesn't do that. It doesn't let you pull one out. It has, like we did when we was kids. Well, gosh darn. We should have went the other way, honey. Oh, I'm okay. Meet a bear back in here. Yeah, out in a big plain in the middle of nowhere.
Yo, bear.
I don't have any bear spray. Path over here to the river. There's a little short path right here. Let's see what we got right here. It's pretty through here. I love the reflection off the water. There's a dam ahead of us. I'll go back out there. Up on the part of the river where we might be able to see a little bit more. Right now we're using a Gopro 9. It seems to be a pretty good camera. And I got a an extra mic on it for better voice pickup. Sometimes I don't know if it picks up as good as it should or not, but it should be clear anyhow. Right now we have no wind or nothing, so it should be crystal clear. When riding our bikes we get a lot of noise through it, but not as much as we get if we was didn't have the mic on there. Walk over here by this. Yeah, that was that big dam seen from back there. What comes around the bend. Peaceful walk. It really is a peaceful walk. You walk back in here and it's quiet. Nature's, you hear a little bit of nature. There's not a lot of nature going on. There's a butterfly right over here on my left. That's the first butterfly I've seen. We seen a million lightning bugs last night when we was out. Better than mosquitoes. And there's a black butterfly right there. Yeah, this must be a little area for them. This tree back in here is kind of gnarly looking, the way they're all wrapped around each other. Looks like an old hedgerow at one time. Open prairie. I bet this is very, very pretty in the winter when the leaves all change, and the fall. I bet it's a beautiful place to take a nice walk and hike in. still on the path. They're walking by the river. That's beautiful. Really cool looking. A little bit of water moving on this river. Not much, a little bit though. The sun is right behind us. It is going to be going down before we even get out of here. I think we're coming to the end of the river right here. Well, actually where it's flowing. I'm sure water's still trickling through there, but there's not much. There's not much.
No.
Walk over here to this other spot of the river that we're hopefully turning and heading out of here. This has been a pretty good walk back through here for, I know a mile don't seem very far, but it's all off level ground. And we're old. Yeah, how pretty. It's really pretty. We're walking down through here. We walked a mile or so. And there's the turn of the river.
Oh, how pretty.
It is a pretty spot right here. It would be a lot prettier. You can tell how high the water normally is because it is so low right here right now. But there's a prairie. Path we have forsaken taken, but look at this view across this field with the sun setting over there. We're going to try to get the night sky view in yet tonight too, so we have a lot to do. And I'm not sure how far back a walk we are from here, but we'll make it.
Yeah.
My wife guarantees it.
Yep.
But
Sure.
that's really pretty. We're walking, this is so cool, we're walking down through here, and this stump is actually cut out like a, I don't know, an eagle or a bird. He's got that, looks like he has weather fingers, looks like he had a beak, hair. Real cool looking. I don't know if they intentionally cut that out at one time and now it's kind of went to pieces, but I'm impressed with it. It looks neat. It's like he's overlooking the field. And there's the field, you know, he's just overlooking the field right there. I just think that's cool. I took a separate picture to zoom in on it better. There's a robin up there going, hey, that's my bird down there. Yes, we are still here on this farm that we're walking around, a farm apparently, or at least it would be a nice
Prairie.
farm. Prairie, and man, it's been a long walk.
Yes, it has.
I guess I didn't realize how far 2.5 miles is one way. Isn't that pretty coming out of the woods right here? We'll walk through these woods and into that beautiful sunset coming down tonight. And gosh, the sky is clear, so we're gonna go out around 9:30, 10 to try to catch the stars and some meteors and maybe even see the Milky Way. If we figure out how to get out of here. They don't tell you how far you have to go when you're walking out of here. It's like, okay, go ahead, go straight ahead, half mile you'll be there, or make a left here and you'll be there in quarter mile. But it's fine. It's a good walk.
Oh, no, honey, please don't. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is Dana
and Linus
with Hitchin Up,
and Moving On.
and
Go ahead.
we're ready to go sit down.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this trail. We're going to keep on trucking. We got a long ways to go yet. So,
Yeah, we got to get into the campground now.
so thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.